Hi guys, welcome to this video. Hope everybody is fine. So today we will see how to use this 3-point curve tool in CorelDraw. As the name suggests, this tool is used for drawing smooth curves. So we will draw a curve between a line. So the third point acts as a curve. So I am pressing at a point and dragging to the right. So as you see in the screen, a line appears, and if I release this point, a curve, a smooth curve appears, which can be moved in any direction. So this is the use of the tool mainly. So what will happen if I press the control button? As we all know, the control button is usually used for drawing straight lines. So I am pressing at a point and dragging to the right, and if I am pressing the control button, you can see it's progressing in certain angles. So it is used for drawing straight lines with an angle, and if I am releasing, I get a curve. And what will happen if I press the control button? So you can see, if I press the control button and if I drag further, so this arc will be gradually increasing in a uniform way. So this is the use of control button in this tool. You can see the differences. So here I will illustrate with a small example. So now I will draw a square plus the control button, so you get an equal square, and I am dragging plus the control button and right click, so you can get a copy of that thing. So this is you can see what it is drawn for. I have drawn two squares just for uniformity, nothing. I have created a structure, so I'll just illustrate how it can be used. Press the shift button, so it decreases or increases in a uniform way. So just I'm applying a color, group it. In this way, floral design can be drawn. So this is a small illustration. So in this way you can draw different shapes, and thank you for watching my video. Hope this video serve a purpose. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.